As mentioned, we also have ChatGPT Plus as alternative to the free version. For $20 per month, at the point in time when we are recording this course, ChatGPT Plus offers an even more advanced AI model and some other benefits compared to the free version. Currently, the core advantages of the Plus version are the following. With ChatGPT Plus, you get priority ChatGPT access. In peak times, using the free version is not always possible. ChatGPT Plus can also be used when demand is very high. So if you want to have access to ChatGPT all the time, the Plus version might be something you could consider in the future. ChatGPT Plus also provides faster outputs. When using the Plus version, you will receive faster responses, which helps to use ChatGPT more efficiently and also to save time. With the Plus version, you can also select between different models, and you also get early access to newly introduced models. Depending on your requirements, you can switch between a faster or a more advanced model. With the Plus version, you have this option to choose what you need. With the free version, you only get the default model and you don't have the option to choose between others. And finally, ChatGPT Plus also provides early access to new features and improvements. ChatGPT is still a very new technology and rapidly evolves. As Plus user, you can access newly introduced features before the free version is supported. We used the Plus version to record this course, but as mentioned, everything you learn in the course applies to both the free and the Plus version of ChatGPT. In case you want to update to Plus in the future, you can find the corresponding option directly here in ChatGPT. You can again find an overview of the Plus benefits and then select Upgrade Plan to subscribe for the monthly ChatGPT Plus subscription. So with the first steps done in ChatGPT, let's now continue with some other helpful information about the course, before we then dive deeper into ChatGPT together.